When switching IDX providers, one of the most important parts of the migration is preserving your leads and their saved searches. Buyer leads often rely on saved searches to receive automatic property updates. If those searches aren't migrated, they stop receiving listing alerts, and your agents may lose valuable engagement with active buyers. To make this process easier, we've developed a new IDXAddons feature called the CSV Lead Data Converter. This tool converts lead exports from other IDX providers into the CSV format accepted by IDX Broker, making it much easier to migrate your database. When importing leads into IDX Broker using a CSV file, you can include information such as lead name, email address, phone number, physical address, assigned agent for office accounts, saved searches, saved properties, notes. This helps preserve much more than just contact information, allowing your team to continue working with leads after the migration with minimal interruption. In this first version, we're supporting YLOPO to IDX Broker. One of the biggest advantages is that this process does not use the IDX Broker API. That means you can import hundreds or even thousands of leads without worrying about API limits, and IDX Broker won't send new lead notification emails during the import. Let's see how it works. First, select the provider you exported your leads from. In this case, we'll choose YLOPO. YLOPO exports valuable information, such as the lead's name, email, phone number, assigned agent, saved search criteria, and additional information related to listing alerts. Here's an example of what a YLOPO CSV export looks like. You'll notice that some leads have multiple saved searches. For this initial release, the converter creates one basic saved search per lead. The basic saved search includes the most important search criteria, such as city, county, or zip code, price range, minimum bedrooms, minimum bathrooms. This gives your buyers a working saved search immediately after the migration. If you're using an IDX Broker Office account, you can also assign imported leads to agents. To do that, make sure the agent's first and last name in the CSV exactly match the agent's name in IDX Broker. Otherwise, the lead won't be assigned correctly. Now let's upload the YLOPO CSV file. After processing, the converter generates a summary showing total rows found, unique leads, leads with saved searches, contact-only leads. Next, review the conversion summary. The converter automatically maps the supported search criteria from YLOPO into the closest matching IDX Broker search options, helping reduce manual work after the migration. Once everything looks correct, download the converted CSV file. For privacy and security, all processing happens directly in your browser. Your lead data is never uploaded to our servers, and nothing is automatically imported into IDX Broker. You remain in complete control of your data throughout the process. Now let's import the file into IDX Broker. Go to Leads, then Import, select Upload File, and finally choose Import Leads. Select the converted CSV file and complete the import. That's it. Your YLOPO leads, along with their supported saved search information, are now ready inside IDX Broker. This gives you a much smoother migration process, while helping your buyer leads continue receiving relevant listing updates without having to recreate searches manually. The CSV Lead Data Converter is available free for IDX Broker clients who use RealtyCandy as their developer partner. If you'd like us to support imports from additional IDX providers, let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear which platform you're migrating from. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future IDXAddons updates and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.